Yo, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're gonna do a review on the new iPad, bro. Oh my god. Oh my lord. Look at this receipt, bro. Yo, only $500 for iPad? Bro, this is the best iPad for this price, bro. Oh my god. Bro, welcome to a brand new video, bro. Today we're gonna be reviewing the new iPad, bro. A16 iPad just got fresh from Apple Store. The seat is right here, bro. Oh my god, let's check this out, bro. Let's do this, yo. My recent review I did with the Lenovo. Now we're doing with the Apple. Quick ASMR. Alright, we good. Let's peel it out fresh. Oh my god. Let's do the first peel. Alright, the peel is done, bro. Let's open it up. Oh my god, bro. I can't wait. Yo, there's one more peel. Never mind. So satisfying, bro. This is $300 just off right now, bro. Oh, let's open it. Yeah, I don't want to drop it. Yo, we got it open. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh my god, look at that. Alright, chat, bro. So this is inside the box. The iPad itself. What did I just drop? Oh no. Oh no. And then it comes with the manual and stuff inside here. And then yo, with the iPad you actually get the charging cable. Oh my god. Cause you know with the actual phones you don't get this, yo. So you get the charging cables and the USB-C cables. So you don't get the old iPhone cables. USB-C and then the charging cable port. And let me see if there's anything behind this. I think that's it, yeah. So they're not being cheap, bro. They're actually giving the USB-C cable also. Wow, okay. Alright, let's turn this guy on and see if this guy has power. Oh, I love this part. Taking out the fresh new paper. Ooh. Oh, this color is so good. Look at this freshness. Oh, yo, everybody say mashallah, bro. No evil eye out here, bro. Oh my. Yo, this is so light. Yo, I don't want to break it now. Open up. Yeah, I'm recording with my phone, okay? I think I need to charge this, bro. It has no charge, man. Apple, what are you doing, bro? But if I had to rate it just without turning it on, I give this a solid 8.5 out of 10. Yo, this is neat. Look at the color. Yo, this is light. This is smooth. You got the Apple Pencil you can put here. You can put the keypad. Bro, it comes with the charging cable and cord. Bro, this is 8.5 out of 10, bro. For that price, bro, yo, this is solid. Look. This is what 13-inch, 11-inch or 13-inch, yo. Everything packed up. I give this 8.5 out of 10, man. This is nice, bro.